Data storytelling creates an emotional connection with your audience. They are not only going to believe what you say, they are going to be influenced by it. And here's how. We have all of this data and information coming at us in numerous shapes and forms, and we are supposed to sort through all of the noise and figure out what matters most. It can be extremely challenging. I'm about to introduce you to a simple framework that anyone can learn and use to tell compelling data stories. As the co-founder of a Seattle-based data and analytics firm, I've had the opportunity to help hundreds of organizations and individuals develop cultures centered around data storytelling, learn the same frameworks being used by enterprise organizations such as Amazon, Nike, Google, TD Ameritrade, Salesforce, and more. Elisa states, the Data Story Academy courses are a must for any student or business professional. Vignay says, Zach provides key principles and guidelines to deliver on the value of data-driven storytelling. And Deb tells us, the title of the email I sent to my boss and coworkers was, It's Like Finding a Unicorn. People who develop data storytelling skills excel their careers compared to those who stick with old pivot tables and spreadsheets. Not only that, they make a bigger impact in their organization and gain leadership, trust, and influence. So what does telling stories with data look like in action? Here's a set of data that a leadership team is using for decision making. Now let's take that same set of data and transform it using the simple yet effective Data Story Academy 3-part framework. First, we pull out the most important narratives using the blueprint. In this process, we identify questions, actions, and results we hope to achieve. Second, we take the blueprint and combine it with the canvas to ensure the most important information stands out almost instantly. And finally, we present our narrative, but when we do, we use presentation techniques to draw people in, create connection, and ultimately wow leadership, transforming our old spreadsheets into beautiful works of art that create long-lasting value. Now it's your turn. Click on the link right here to sign up for our free data storytelling webinar. Click the sign up button and watch the webinar where you are going to learn some of the most important soft skills in business. And remember, we will show you a step-by-step process for transforming confusing data into stories. Why? So that people listen to you and take action. As I said, you can sign up with the link on this screen. And if you're watching this video right now, it means a webinar is beginning shortly. So click on the link and I will see you in the webinar.